Hello students, happy morning. Grade 6, chapter number 9, data handling continue. Topic interpretation of pictograph, page number 189. Please open page number 189. Okay students, you see example number 3. The following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during the previous week. Here this is the whole questions which is given in exam, and solve the following questions. First of all, you observe this pictograph. On Monday, how many number of absentee students are there? 5. Tuesday, 4. Wednesday, 2. Thursday, no one is absent. Friday, 1. Saturday, total 8 absents. So now the first question, on which day were the maximum number of students absent? So maximum number of students absent, that when you see these questions, on Saturday you can see 8 students maximum absent. Which day had a full absent day? Sorry, which day had full attendance? You see, on Thursday no one is absent, means full attendance day is Thursday. See questions. Question number C, what was total number of absents in that week? So this is the pictograph of absentee students. So total number of students on Monday 5, Tuesday 4, 5 plus 4 9, Wednesday 2, 9 plus 2 11, Friday 1, 12, and Saturday 8, 12 plus 8 20. So total how many students during the whole week? 20 students were absent during the whole week. So answer, there are 20 pictures in all. So the total number of absentees in that week was 20. So like this way you can solve pictograph. Next question, example number 4. Here the colors of the phrases preferred by the people in living in the locality shown by the following pictograph. So first of all, colors, number of people, and here the number of people which is represented by this small symbol. So that small symbol is equal to 10 people. You see here in blue color, how many peoples are there? 4 persons drawn. Now each person is equal to 10 people. Here you see each person is equal to 10 people. So blue, how many peoples are there? 10 5s are 50, because 5 pictures are there. In green 3 pictures are there, so 10 3s are 30. Red 6 in red you see 1 2 3 4 5 full pictures, and the sixth one is half, means 10 5s are 50 and half, that is 10 half is 5, so 55 in red. And white, 2 full persons are there, so 20. Now what is the question? Find the number of people preferred in blue colors. So how many number of people? 50. How many people like red colors? In red colors 5 full figures are there. So 10 5s are 50, and 6 one figure, that is half. So 10 half is 55. So 50 plus 5, 55. You see, in blue color 50 people. So blue color is preferred by 50 people because one person is equal to 10. So 5 pictures indicate 5 into 10, that is 50 people. Now the B questions. In B, 5 full pictures are there, so 10 5s are 50, and last incomplete pictures means half picture is there, so you take 5. So 50 plus 5, total 55 persons. So like this way you can solve this sum. Now example number 5. A survey was carried out on 30 students of class 6 in a school. Data about the different modes of transport used by them to travel to school was displayed as a pictograph. So, what can you conclude from the pictograph? Here you see modes of traveling, number of students, and that uh, one face is equal to one students. So, private car, how many students are there? 4. Public buses, how many students are there? 5. School bus, how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. On cycle, 3 students are there. Walking, 7 students are there. Okay. So, let's start to solve this. In these questions, we find the conclusion. So, from that pictograph, we find that A, the number of students coming by private car is 4. Maximum number of students are used by bus. So, this is the most popular way. Cycle is used by only 3 students. And the number of students using the other modes can be similarly found. So, this is our conclusion. Example number 6. Following is the pictograph of the number of wristwatches manufactured by factory in a particular week. So here we represent days, number of wristwatches manufactured. बराबर, this is the question. बराबर, ये आपको दिया जाएगा. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So one watch represent how many total watches? 100 wristwatches. So on Monday, how many total watches will be there manufactured? Total 3, 4, 5, 6 watches are there, right? So now one watch, that is 100. So 100 6 are 600 watches were manufactured. On Tuesday, how many watches were manufactured? Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full watches are there. So that 700, 7 into 100, that's 700, and one picture of watch, that is half. So 100 half is 50. So 750 were manufactured on Tuesday. Similarly, on Wednesday, you can see 6 full watch and 1 is half, means 650. Thursday, 8 full watches, 800. Friday, 6 full watches, means 600. Saturday, 5 full watches, means 500, and 1 is half, 550. Now you answer the following questions. On which day were the least number of wristwatches manufactured? Right, so just now we have solved, and according to that way you have to get the answer of these given questions. So use your textbook and get the answers of these given questions. Now students, come on exercise 9.1. Question number 1, that is we have solved in our previous lecture. Question number 1. Question number 2 also we have solved. Question number 3 is also solved. So now you solve question number 4. Following pictograph shown the number of tractors in a 5 villages. Here village A, village B, village C, village D, village E. And the given in upper rightmost corner it is given so that one tractor is equal to one picture of tractor, that is one tractor only. So in village A, how many total tractors are there? Village A, total 6 tractors are there. Village B, total 5 tractors are there. Village C, total in village C total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 tractors are there. Village D, 3 tractors are there. Village E, 6 tractors are there. Okay. So now you see the question and according to that way you have to get the answers. So easy. So here observe the pictograph of question number 4 and get the following questions. Number 1, which village has the minimum number of tractors? So you see the pictures and get the answers. So it is homework. Do by your own way. Question number 5. The number of girl students in each class of co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Here, one girl picture, that is one girl is equal to one face of the girl, that is 4 girls. So in class 1, how many total number of girls are there? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girls face are there. So one girl face is equal to 4. So 6 4s are 24. So in class 1 total number of girls 24. In class 2 1, 2, 3, 4 full pictures are there and one girl face is half. So in class 2 4 full picture, right? So 4 4s are 16 and one picture that is half. So 4 half is 2. So 16 plus 2, that is 18 students in class 2. In class 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full pictures are there students. So here 5 4s are 20 students in class 3rd. In class 4 total girls 3 full face are there, right? So 3 4s are 12 and 1 is half face. So 12 plus 2, that is 14. So like this way you can do remaining all, right, as per the given questions. And the questions are here. Which class has minimum number of girls of the students, right? So you see in 8 class minimum number of girls are there. In 8 class one full pictures of one girl, that is one full picture of girl face is there. So one girl is equal to 4, right? So 4 and that one is half. So 4 plus 2, that is 6. So class 8 has minimum number of girl students, that is 6. So like this way you can do B and C by your own way, that is homework. Question number 6 also homework, do by your own way. Question number 7, it is also homework, do by your own way. Okay students, drawing a pictograph means the data is given and according to data we have to draw the pictograph. That topic that we will see in our next session. Till then, have a nice day and thank you.